In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a wedding RSVP website in Wix. To get started, open your Event Manager dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Registration tab. This is where you can control how guests respond to your wedding event. From there, choose Registration Form and then click Edit. This will open the form settings so you can customize the information you want guests to submit when they RSVP. Next, click the Add Field option. Here you can include the basic details you need from each guest. Common choices include fields like email and phone. These standard fields help you collect contact information, so you can stay organized and communicate important wedding updates if needed. After adding each field, make sure to turn on the required switch for that field row. This is important because it ensures guests cannot submit the form without completing the information you need. After the basic fields are in place, you can add a more personalized RSVP question. Click Add Custom Field, and then choose Multiple Choice. In the question text, type Select your dinner option. Then enter each menu choice as its own answer option. This is a useful way to gather meal preferences ahead of time, especially if your venue or caterer needs an accurate count for each entree. Be sure to label the options clearly so guests can make their selection quickly and without confusion. Once your form fields are set up, move into the Settings area inside the Registration drawer panel. This section gives you more control over how the RSVP process works. For example, you can limit the number of guests who are allowed to register, which is helpful if your wedding has a strict capacity. You can also set a form closing date so responses stop coming in after your deadline. This keeps your planning timeline on track and gives you a clear cutoff for final headcounts. As you go through these settings, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Make sure your required fields are active, your dinner choices are entered correctly, and your registration limits match your event needs. Small details here can make the RSVP process much smoother for both you and your guests. Once that is done, your wedding RSVP form in Wix will be ready to collect responses in a clean and organized way. That covers everything you need to know.